Shout. Say hello.
Hi.
Louder.
Hi. I don't know where this is going.
Just go in. He's worried that he's not supposed to go in. Says no diving. But it doesn't say no swimming. Is it nice? Is it cold? That means it's freezing because Rich wouldn't say that. Right, look at what I'm trying to contend with in my flip-flops. Poser. Here she goes. It's that bag of rubbish. There he is. How cold?
Not that cold, it's not cold.
Oh.
It's not perfect.
How deep was it?
Still wet.
How deep was it?
Can't touch the floor there.
Tarzan.
How can you go?
To the next one.
Yeah, how can you...
What?
Black one upwards.
Okay.
If you want it.
No, I'll wait to go to the next one.
Yeah. 3 and 4 apparently.
More
More beautiful.
beautiful than this. And that is pretty beautiful. It is actually absolutely gorgeous. Hi! Why do I always look so awful? Look how tired I look.
Good.
I'm going in the next one.
Defo.
Bye, Belly.